Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. FD is one of the most trusted ways in which people make investments in our country. There are so many different ways that are available right now. There is cryptocurrency, there is a stock market, there's real estate, there's mutual fund, but they all have their fair share of risks involved in it. But when it comes to a fixed deposit, even though the interest rates here will be comparatively less, but you can be rest assured about the fact that the amount of money that you have invested will be much more secure compared to any other options that are available. And in FD also, there are different kinds of options that have come up recently. There is a public sector bank option, there is a private sector bank option, there is a small finance bank option. There are better interest rates for senior citizens also. But whenever you are going out to search about all these aspects, you have to probably go through multiple articles or probably watch multiple videos in order to come to a conclusion where you will get a better understanding about which particular option will be the most suitable and the most feasible to you as per your requirement. But what if I tell you that in this one single video, we'll cover all these aspects. We'll talk to you about the interest of private sector bank, and we'll also cover the interest rate of some of the most amazing small finance banks as well. Not just that, I'll also give you the interest rates which are given for general public as well as the senior citizens. So stick with me till the end of this video, because throughout this video, we'll talk about different kinds of banks that are available. We'll start with the public sector bank, then we'll go towards the private sector bank, and at the end, I'll talk to you about the small finance bank which are giving you the best possible interest rate for your fixed deposit. So without a further ado, let's get straight to the point and have a look at the first table that's coming up on the screen. So if you notice, the first table that's coming up on the screen right now is of public sector banks, and the number one bank over here is Union Bank of India, which is offering you 5.5% interest rate per annum for your general public. Next is 6.05% interest rate for senior citizens. After that, we have Canara Bank, which is offering you 5.5% interest rate again for the general public, and for senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 6%. State Bank of India is giving you 5.4% interest rate, and for general public, the interest rate, and for senior citizens, the interest rate is 6.2%. Bank of India is giving 5.3% for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is 5.8%. Punjab National Bank is giving you 5.3% for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 5.8% respectively. Now, let's have a look at the private sector banks which are offering you the best possible interest rate for your fixed deposit. So if you notice the second table that's coming up on the screen right now, you'll be able to see the first bank in the list is a bank called the DCB Bank, which is giving you 6.75% interest rate for general public. For senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 7.25%. IndusInd Bank is giving you 6.5% interest rate for general public. For senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 7%. Then next on the list is Nainital Bank, which is giving 6.35% interest rate for general public. For senior citizens, the number is 6.85%. RBL Bank is giving you 6.25% interest rate for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is 6.75%. IDFC First Bank is giving you 5.75% interest rate for general public, and for senior citizens, the number are better, which is 6.25% respectively. And now let's have a look at the banks which are giving you the best possible interest rate for your fixed deposit, and the interest rates are as much as 8% per annum for your fixed deposit. So without a further ado, let's head straight to the third table, which will talk to you about the interest rates of fixed deposit from the small finance banks. So if you notice the table which is coming up right now, you'll be able to see the first bank on the list is a bank which is giving you almost 7.25% interest rate for general public, and 7.75% interest rate, which is almost 8% interest rate for senior citizens, and the bank's name is Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. Next in the list is Jana Small Finance Bank, which is giving you 7% interest rate for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 7.75%. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank is giving you 6.75% for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 7.25%. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is giving you 6.75% interest rate for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is slightly better, which is 7.25%. And last on the list is AU Small Finance Bank, which is giving you 6.25% interest rate for general public, and for senior citizens, the number is better, which is 7% per annum respectively. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. And if at all you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, please download the Financial Freedom app. The link of this app is provided in the description box. There we update a new course every single day almost, and we are available in almost 6 different languages, which is Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. And if at all you have any kind of questions, any kind of queries, any kind of topic suggestions for us, you can leave them as well in the comment section. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.